Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the one and only ICT strategy that actually works and you can use to pass all of your funded accounts, okay? This has over a 92% win rate, so make sure you're listening carefully. So let's just get straight into the video, okay? I have a checklist right here which has the pairs, time, liquidity, and the other steps that you need to follow for this strategy to actually work, okay? You need to use NAS 100, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, or S&P 500, okay? I'm going to be using Euro USD today, and you only trade within a 7 to 11 London kill zone on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so what I mean by 7 to 11 London kill zone, you mark out actually 7 o'clock to 11 right here on the charts with the vertical tool, and after you mark it out, this is going to be the zone we're going to be only trading in. Okay, now we need to identify if price sweeps Asian sessions buy side or sell side liquidity, and what I mean by this is what side of Asian sessions actually swept, because the blue area is Asian session right here. So we have the lows and we have the highs, okay? And whichever side gets swept, we have to trade on the reversal, okay? So whichever side gets swept, let's say the highs got swept, we trade a sell, all right? So I'm going to be playing price forward, and you can see that the highs are getting swept bit by bit. And there we go. We just got a big sweepage of the highs, all right? I'm going to be marking this out as the highs right here have been swept. And now what we actually need to do is find a market structure shift with a displacement, and we execute on the fair value gap, okay? I have a much more clearer checklist of this. So if you want this sent to you, just message me on Telegram and I'll send it to you, okay? But this is just a summarized version of that. So now we have to find a market structure shift towards the downside. I'm going to be just finding that. There we go. We have one right there. We play price forward. There we go, okay? We can see we have multiple actual market structure shifts, okay? We have one here, but it isn't valid because we didn't get a displacement and we did not get a fair value gap. So we have another one here, but now we actually do have a displacement and a fair value gap, okay? We have literally two back to back right here, okay? So after we found this out, we can mark out our displacement, and now we're going to be identified where our fair value gap is, all right? So where can you see the fair value gap? I can see it right here, all right? I'll be marking this out. You write FVG on this, and you can easily catch a very successful trade, actually trading a strategy. And now all you have to do is short the position, like I am right now, putting your stop loss literally above the first candle of the FVG, and your take profit is going to be a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, okay? So anywhere around this area, and you can see that it aligns nearly perfectly with the bottom of Asian session, okay? I'm going to be playing this now, but just before that, I need to show you that the Forex family that I've created, we have such a good relationship with our students. We believe in transparency, and there's a one-time payment full guarantee, okay? I will give you all these perks like the Discord. I'll give you secret strategy. I'll give you a full course when you join, and you can get weekly calls with me, okay? There's also bonuses like lifetime trading and the blueprint to profitability, okay? This price is increasing to $99 tomorrow, okay? So make sure you get this very quickly, all right? So let's just get straight back into the video. And now if I play price forward, you're going to see how it will enter this area, just like right there. It just entered the area and it's just going towards the downside, okay? Now if I play it forward a bit more, you can see we just smashed TP, okay? This is such an effective strategy. Make sure you're actually using it, all right? Look how much more it actually went towards the downside, okay? We could have got a much bigger trade. Now I'm going to be showing you a different example, so make sure you're listening very carefully. Okay, everyone, so I have another example right in front of you, and I'm going to be demonstrating this whole strategy again, but this is a more harder example, so you're going to have to follow carefully to actually see what I'm trading and see how I'm trading, okay? So now we're going to be marking out our 7 to 11 London kill zone right now. This is the easiest bit, so you mark out from 7 right there to 11. So this is the only time we're going to be taking trades in. You can leave trades to run after this kill zone, but you only take trades within this, okay? So now what's next is we need to identify which side of Asian session price actually sweeps, okay? And then we look for reversal opportunities. So now I'm going to be marking out the highs right here. I'm going to be marking out the lows, okay? So I marked out the highs and the lows, and whichever side gets swept first, I'm going to be trading the reversal of it. Okay, this strategy occurs so much. Make sure you do listen carefully so you don't miss the next one, okay? So as you can see, I'm still waiting for price to go in between one of them. And there we go, it's reaching the highs right now. And there we go, we just got a sweep. It's right there, okay? It's very close, but it did get swept, okay? So now, what we need to do is find a market structure shift with the displacement, and we execute on a fair value gap. Okay, this is so easy. Make sure you are still following along. Okay, so we have a market structure shift right here. Very good, because price before it and the candle after it did not actually go below this candle right here, which makes this the fractional low. Okay, fractional high, I mean. So now all we need to do is find out where the FVG is, and there we go. We just made lots of profits. Okay, so we can see a clear FVG right here, which we're going to be marking out right now. It's very easy, and all we need to do is mark this out as the FVG, like I'm doing right here. And once you do this, actually you're going to be taking the sell and putting the stop loss just above this FVG candle right here, and the take profit at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, price is going to push all the way down because this strategy has such a high win rate that you can trust it fully with your heart. Okay, so now if I play price forward, you can see it goes down a little bit and it just enters with a wick right there, and it nearly hits take stop loss, and it doesn't. It just keeps going down. It keeps going down and down and down. Okay, you can see it, and it just smashed take profit. All right, this strategy works so well. Make sure you are actually implementing this. And that's going to be the end of the video, but make sure you actually do join my mentorship, because it's a very easy one-time full guarantee. Okay, you get all of these different perks right here, so make sure you're reading this and go and check it out. I'm going to be increasing this price soon to $100. Okay, so make sure you get into it now. All right, this is going to be the strategy. If you want this, make sure you message me. It's completely free. I'm going to just send it to you straight away. And yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Bye.